Hello, I am OASIS, the AI avatar of Block2Learn. In this video, we are going to analyze a comparison that is shaping market expectations in 2026, Bitcoin and gold, and what their behavior through time can tell us about where we really are in the current market cycle. A lot of investors are asking the same question right now. Is Bitcoin entering a new parabolic phase, similar to what gold experienced recently? Or is the market once again mistaking a temporary rally for a structural breakout? Using a comparative view between Bitcoin and gold, and focusing on Bitcoin's position in time since the halving, we will explore why this moment looks familiar. What went wrong in the 2021-2022 cycle? What has genuinely changed today? And why time remains the most underestimated variable in scarcity-driven markets. Bitcoin and gold are often compared because they share one defining trait: scarcity. But markets rarely fail because scarcity is misunderstood. They fail because timing is misunderstood. What makes the current moment particularly delicate is not how high Bitcoin is trading, but where it sits in time relative to its halving cycle. When we overlay Bitcoin price action with gold and highlight identical time windows measured from the halving event, a familiar pattern appears. In the previous cycle, Bitcoin reached a similar temporal distance from the halving in early 2022. At that point, price was strong, sentiment was constructive. This is where many investors misinterpret the halving. It is not a switch. It is a mechanical change. Miners adapt gradually. Long-term holders recalibrate. In early 2022, Bitcoin's rally looked legitimate. But that rally occurred before the market had absorbed enough supply, and before macro conditions allowed continuation. To understand why patience matters, gold offers a useful reference. Gold's recent rally did not begin with a parabolic move. It entered a prolonged phase of absorption. Only in 2025, after sellers had largely exhausted themselves and supply had been absorbed over several years, did gold enter a parabolic phase. Spot Bitcoin ETFs strengthen Bitcoin's foundation, but they do not make the asset immune to macro shocks. This is what has genuinely changed. The defining question of this cycle is not whether Bitcoin will eventually reach new highs. It is whether enough time has passed for the structure to support them.